Hello, in this short video, I want to introduce you to the Hall Technologies 6-inch in-ceiling speaker. This is the SPK-IC6, that's speaker in-ceiling 6. So SPK-IC6 is the model name. This is a 40-watt speaker that's at works at 8 ohms, 70 volt, or 100 volt. I'll show you the taps and how those are set on the speaker. Let's go ahead and open up this box and take a look at the contents inside. All right, so I've got the speaker out of the box now. We'll take a look at the contents inside. First thing you'll note, the box does include a simple template for the cutout for your speaker. So easy to get the hole size exactly right. The speaker comes in a nice plenum fire-rated back can, so that installs up in the ceiling, keeps the speaker clean, and makes the install real nice and neat. On the front side, you can see the 6-inch speaker, aimable tweeter here in the middle, and then along the top, here is the setting for your tap. So you can set this for 8 ohm operation, 70 volt, or 100 volt operation. There's simple access to screw holes right here to adjust the dog ear clips on the back of that. So once you install that up in the ceiling hole, turn that screw, and these ears all the way around will pinch down and clamp that into the ceiling. Note that we do make a ceiling tile bridge for this product as well. That's essentially a ceiling bracket to span across a hanging or a drop ceiling, so you can install this in a drop ceiling location as well. That product is the SPK-BRKT, that's ceiling bracket, speaker ceiling bracket. And then the product also comes with the grill cover. The grill cover, nice and flush, very trim ring, so your installation on the ceiling is extremely minimal, a very clean install. And it is magnetic, so there are some magnets located on the speaker facing, and once you put that grill on there, magnet sticks right to it, won't come off, but is easily removed when needed for changing of your taps or any kind of work being done to the speaker. All right, so that is our 6-inch in-ceiling speaker designed to work seamlessly with the Apollo Technology Room Kit, the MC200 presentation switcher, or either of our standalone small format amplifiers in either the 8 ohm or 70 or 70 volt series. So that is the Hall Technologies SPK-IC6. That's our 6-inch in-ceiling can speaker. To learn more about this product, you can visit us online at halltechav.com.